Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is going to be about something that I'm absolutely loving at the moment, and I'm so far beyond obsessed with this product like you have no idea. As per the title, you would have guessed, it is the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paints. I have two shades here which I'll share with you today, but they are, oh my god, they're so amazing. There's no formula like this. I feel like they're not like, they're very matte, but they're not, how do I say this, they transfer but you never lose the color intensity, which is, I think, so amazing. And the wand and everything is very different. I've worn both of these colors before. These, I have the color Uncuffed and Uncensored. I'm so obsessed with both of these colors, and I've never owned a red as rich, as vibrant as this one. And I'm telling you, it does not bleed. It does not bleed one bit, even without a lip liner. Because the last time I used it, I had a photo up on Instagram with that lipstick, and I'm telling you, like, this is unreal. Like, I'm so obsessed. I do want to get the nude one. I forget what it's called. There's Uncuffed, there's Uncensored, there is, I do want to get one more of that, and I want to get the lip gloss as well. But this is what I have. My husband surprised me with this again. I had that post up on Instagram. So what I'll do, I will start off with the Uncensored, because I think with this look I want to keep the Uncuffed on for later. So the packaging is stunning, absolutely beautiful, very sleek, and it's perfect for the size of the bottle. So here we go. I mean, let's just appreciate the bottle. Like, it's unlike anything else we've seen, and this is like a chrome. Yep, so that's Uncensored right there. Focus. And it does say Fenty Beauty right there. And I'm just going to, let me just wipe off. Okay, perfect. So nothing on my lips now. I know my lips are kind of pigmented on there. I'm not going to use anything, I'm not going to use any lip liners, just so that we can see how opaque this color is. And this is the applicator. It's completely different. So that is Uncensored. Like, look how vibrant this color is. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm so totally obsessed. And I feel like this is one of those reds that will look good on every skin tone. cannot. Like, it's perfect. And see the crisp line around my lip line? Like, it is just, I haven't used, I won't edit this and speed it up or anything like that. This is going to be real time. Like, it is just, I'm so obsessed with this color. It is just stunning. It does transfer, I'm not gonna lie. So it does transfer, but like you can tell, the color hasn't lost its opacity or anything like that. Like, it is just one of the most beautiful matte lipsticks out there. I really, really, really want to get my hands on the nude one because, oh, I see myself wearing that every day. Oh my god, I feel like it might be a little bit too light on me, but mixed with Uncuffed, I think that would be perfect. I cannot get over this color, and I feel like this color, it would be so perfect for one of those days where, you know, you want that perfect glowing skin, you have like nothing, barely anything on your eyes, and then you've just got this pop of color on your lips. I mean, oh, obsessed. But I'm just gonna take this off, and then we'll go in with Uncuffed. I don't want to take this off. It's that bloody good. And it doesn't come off easy. Let me add that as well. Okay, so I just reapplied a little bit of my foundation, which again I'm gonna take off. So I do want to mention that when I first applied the Uncensored, it was just one dip. I did not go back in to get more color, to sort of layer it up and stuff, and it is unedited, so you'll obviously see that. But yeah, it is very true to its color. It is very rich in its color, so keep that in mind. Like, a little bit of it will go a long way. And this is 4 ml, so 0.13 fluid ounces, so you do get a good chunk of amount in there. So this is the Uncuffed, and they both have the same cap on it. They're both rose gold, chromish sort of, oh, why am I lost of words? Yeah, a chromish sort of cap. Okay, so that is what it looks like, the tip. So just going in with Uncuffed. So that is Uncuffed. Again, just one dip into the bottle, so I did not go back in to get more color or anything like that, and it's still drying down, but it is a beautiful shade. One thing I do want to mention with this liquid lipsticks are that when you press your lips together, they will stick. It doesn't completely dry down, but they're very comfortable. I do have wrinkly lips, and they don't accentuate them, which is really, really good, especially with the red. You know, you can't really tell, and it's just such a stunning formula. I think they've got this so good. Like, I mean, the formula and everything, they've got it down to a T. So it's beautiful. They do last a long time. I have worn this before, and I've worn this through food, Indian food, which is oily and greasy and stuff like that, and it stays put. We went to dinner on Friday night, and I put this a little bit before, so around 5 o'clock in the evening before we went for dinner, and let me tell you, by the time we left, the lipstick was on. It had just gone off a little bit inside, but you could barely tell. Even when it loses color, it still maintains its integrity. When it's on your lips, you don't look horrible or anything like that. So that is something so good. I mean, if I were to wear this to work, I'm pretty sure that it would last me through lunch and until I get home. And the formula is not very drying on your lips, so it's very, very comfortable to pull through an entire day and not be worried about your lips being dry and stuff like that. A little bit of transfer, that is okay. This one doesn't transfer as much, but there is a little bit of transfer still. But like I said, like it's worth everything. It still maintains its integrity, and it doesn't bleed without a lip liner as well. So if you were to have this in your bag, be assured it's okay. You can actually just, have it on the go and not worry about carrying a lip liner to kind of, and especially with the red, like I have to say, yeah, I highly, highly, highly recommend these ones. If I get another shade, obviously you guys will know that it's going to be on Instagram. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys had fun and found this video helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this video as well if you found it helpful. I will catch you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.